my beautiful YouTube watchers. I am going to be talking about a cat diamond painting that I actually did an unboxing for. I'll put the link in the eye up here. But I did an unboxing for this, and from first glance, it looked fine to me. But then when I started working on it, the more and more frustrated I got. Also, like I was more unhappy with the actual canvas itself. So I'm going to go through why I stopped working on it, and I'll show you some of the reasons. So this is the top of the diamond painting. So I started at the top. You can already tell if you look here, those colors are already off. Like, it looks super pixelated. It's supposed to be this black cat. You probably have seen this artwork before. This is from AliExpress. And another thing I wanted to point out was the moon. So this is supposed to be the moon. But in here, the moon is more circular. Oops. And here it looks more like an oval. Also, there's a lot of popping drills. You probably won't be able to see just from this video, but there were a lot of popping drills. You can trust me on that. And I just overall wasn't happy with the canvas itself. So let's take a look at the canvas. I was working from the top down, and I was like, okay, I'll do half, and then I'll figure out if I like it or not, if I should still continue. But then the more I kept working on it, the more of a waste of time it felt. If you've ever felt that way, I feel sorry for you. I feel you. I know what that feels like. So here's the cat. My plan was to go, and I'm totally wrecking it, but I don't really care that much. I'm just wrecking the covering sheet. So here's the cat's face. I was like, my plan was to do the cat's face and the candle and just like go up to here pretty much. And then I would decide if I would continue doing it. But I did the cat's ear tip, and it has really funky colors. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like yellow in the ear. But here in the canvas or in the thumbnail, there's no yellow. And for such a big painting, it's only like 20 something colors, which was kind of weird. Really disappointing. I waited. This is one of the first canvases I ordered when I first started diamond painting. This is from AliExpress. I waited, let's say, 3 months to receive this painting, and I was so excited for it because I do have a black cat. You might hear him meowing in the background of this video. I was so super stoked for this, and then when I looked at the canvas after my unboxing video, because I was like, I'm going to work on this next, I just felt really disappointed. And this was only like $20 or something for 50 by 65. That's really good. And it's not poured glue, it's double-sided adhesive. It's really sticky, but the canvas itself leaves a lot to be desired. So I'm like, I wasn't too happy with it. And here's this is supposed to be books, and you can't even really tell what the symbols are on the books here. This color is like, what is this? It looks really, and I'm just pushing down square drills. It just looks really pixelated. And the moon, I think, was the biggest thing. Like, I really like how this cloud turned out. I think this cloud here turned out really nicely. It reminds me of like Halloween or like a spooky night. And I love the colors in the cloud. I just keep pushing down the square drills. I love the colors in the cloud, but the moon isn't an oval. And see, one of the diamonds just fell off this painting just by me going like this. And there's another one somewhere. I just saw it. So you can see, like, it's just disappointing. And I just wanted to make this video as well, not only to share with you my story about this disappointing canvas. I'm still going to hold on to it. I still have the drills, everything separated into baggies and things like that by color. So it is partially kitted up still, but I'm not going to spend more time on it. And part of the reason why I wanted to make this video is to let you guys know it's okay. So lots of people like will feel guilty. At first I felt really guilty. Then my boyfriend was like, well, if you're not having fun doing it, what's the point of diamond painting, or what's the point of doing this canvas? And I was like, you know what? You're right. I'm not going to keep doing it because this isn't making me happy. The more time I spend on this canvas, the more I feel like I'm wasting my time. And it wasn't fun. So that's just a lesson for me, and I'm hoping that I can pass it on to you. So don't feel guilty, don't feel bad if you have started a diamond painting and you don't finish it. It is kind of like, it feels like a waste of money, and I mean, it is kind of a waste of money in the long run, but if it's not making you happy, why torture yourself and go through it? That's just my short video for today. Next video, we'll do an unboxing, but I really wanted to just share this and let you know that it's okay to stop diamond painting halfway through or quarter way through or even just like a little square through. It's okay if you want to stop. Okay, till next time, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and hit subscribe, and keep in touch with all of my upcoming videos by hitting subscribe and clicking the bell notification. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye!